Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to enable animated thumbnails in TikTok. If you want to add some visual flair to your TikTok experience, we've got you covered. Let's dive right into the steps. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. From the bottom drawer, tap on Profile to access your TikTok profile. Step 3. In the top right corner, you'll see 3 stacked lines. Tap on them to open the menu options. Step 4. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy to access the Settings and Privacy options. Step 5. Look for and tap on Accessibility within the Settings and Privacy menu. Step 6. Within the accessibility settings, locate the option for animated thumbnails and enable it. By following these simple steps, you can enable animated thumbnails in TikTok, adding a dynamic touch to the videos you come across while browsing the app. We hope this guide has been helpful in customizing your TikTok experience. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. And remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable TikTok tutorials and guides. Thank you for watching, and enjoy a more visually engaging TikTok experience with animated thumbnails